So today we're going to be installing some sway bar end links because last video you guys might have seen, we saw the bushings on the stock end links on the car were very destroyed, to say the least. So we're going to be replacing those. So first I'm going to be getting the car on jack stands. I'm probably going to do the front first, then the rear. Alright guys, so now that we have the car lifted up and the tires off, wheels I should say, I'm going to get in here and show you what we're actually going to be doing. So here you have your sway bar. These are my Flying Miata upgraded ones. These are going to be your end links. So what you're going to do, probably jack it up from the bottom control arm, kind of lift it up to relieve some of the pressure so you can break these loose. I'm assuming, so I got adjustable ones, so I'm assuming I'm going to have to get the new ones, like kind of set them aside to these, and kind of adjust them to where they're going to be the same kind of height, I guess, as these. I'm not really sure how this stuff works completely, I'll be honest. I've never done this before, so I'm kind of just off on my own here. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Front and then back is the same way. Same thing as the other side. So yeah, once I get to the back side of the car, then I'll start showing you guys what I'm doing again. Alrighty, so I got the rear end up, tires off. This one's not as bad as the other side. You can see it right there. It's starting to eat away, but that side, like I just said, not that bad. But this is what I was concerned about last time. Look at that. And she's about to pull right out. You know, I may be wrong here. You know, maybe. But I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be that easy to take those out. Alright guys, car's down, wheels are back on, everything's good. As far as ease of install goes, it's a pretty easy thing to do. All you need is basic knowledge to do it. I'm gonna go test drive the car right now to see how she feels. I don't expect a whole lot of difference, but I feel like it may be a little stiffer, just because, you know, yeah, it makes sense why it would be. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.